All right, guys, we got a 2009 Toyota Camry, and we're gonna change this bulb right here. It's out. I'm gonna have a customer press the brake, and that bulb works, but this one does not work. So check this out. You see that? That side is lit up. This one doesn't work. So it's simple. These are LEDs. You don't touch these. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the trunk, and that's it. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go in the back right here. It's the same procedure on this side. So you're gonna just push on this guy right here. This bottom right here, it has a small little connector. You can remove this connector if you want, and then you can if you don't want to remove the connector, that's fine. And if you want to take out this socket to change the bulb, you turn this counterclockwise and this baby comes out. So it's a dual flare bulb. It's not a single flare bulb. Got 3 wires. If you got 3 wires, do not put a single flare bulb. You will blow the fuse and have all kinds of crazy lights. So let's go get another bulb. So I went and got a bulb. This is a 7443 dual flare bulb. So notice I touched the flare. You don't want to do that, but there's a trick here. What you want to do here is you want to take the socket. You can put this bulb in this direction or this direction. It does not matter. Okay, and you stick this guy straight in there. It feels a little funny, but it's fine. Take a rag, clean this guy off, because the grease off your hand is gonna kill the bulb fast. So you take this little guy, stick this guy back in, and you turn it clockwise, put the connector back in. It's the same procedure for this guy right here. This is a turn signal bulb. You turn it counterclockwise. Okay, I'm not gonna take it out, but that's how you would do it, just like that. And this is the yellow color bulb, orange color. It's a single flare bulb, and there's no part number on this, but single flare bulb, same procedure. You take it, change the bulb, make sure you put the correct bulb in, and let's find the proper spot. Okay, nothing wants to match now. There you go. And you turn clockwise. You close this back up, and let's press the brake pedal. It should work now. There you go. This works, that works, and that works. That's it.